Right, snap guys, looks interesting for a short under 76. 76.20, 20 cents stop. Right, I've taken some snap guys, I've taken some snap. 76 slightly ahead of the breakdown, might be a bit risky. 76.07, but I'm anticipating the break of 76s. So once it breaks, there it goes, there it goes. Our stop is hold on, that's giving us a nice little short. That's really good, really good. Okay, washing really nicely. Our stop right now, our stop could be actually on break even, to be honest. This is the fastest trade that worked so far. Straight away after entering, boom, straight away to break even. This zone here guys, that's the exit. So I had 64s right there, 64s, and that's the first partial. And then my stop already is on break even, so I'm gonna wait for this target to get hit. Guys, since it bounced off of this area very strongly, I am a little bit concerned about this. So I'm gonna put my stop just over this area here. So if it does come back up, we'll be out around 75.40s. I just can't hold on to it because it has reached my target. I just wasn't there to take it. Yeah, I'm trying to take it out, guys. I'm gonna take it out. 75.40s, 39s, 40s. I'm out, guys, on here. Unfortunately, I just missed on this whole 30 cents, 35 cents move. But the idea was definitely there, guys. Could have taken anything here, 75 10s, 13s, or 5s, which I didn't. I did try. I couldn't get in. Absolutely cracking of a trade, this one, guys. Let me show you what I mean by that. So I always do this with my good trades. This was our risk. And this, because yeah, this was our target. So as you can see, guys, risking one to get this is definitely 4 plus, maybe even 5. So mine was about 15 cents, about 20 cents, let's say 20 cents stop initially, but from 76 or 08s or 7s to, let's say here, 76.50s, 60, yeah, about 4. I would say about 1 to 4, guys. Anyways, guys, take it easy. I will be doing the live trades tomorrow as well, same time. So 9:15 EST. I will see you in the live stream, guys. Take it easy. Stay safe out there.